Hello students, I'm sure that you remember which topic is going on in the class these days. These days, determiners are going on and we have covered up articles and we also have covered up demonstratives. And now it's the turn to move on to possessives. So now let's take up the possessive pronouns today. So here I would like to tell you about possessive pronouns, as we have already talked about what is meant by possessive. Possessive means ownership, that is possession of something. Somebody owns that and or something belongs to that person. So that is possessive pronoun. So here that is the definition is given, that is the possessive pronouns are used to refer to a person or a thing belonging to a person. That is, it will talk about a thing or a person belongs to whom, right? So these are the possessive pronouns, and we have in our previous class we have talked about the examples of possessive pronouns. So let me recapitulate them with you. Those are this, my, your, his, her, like these, right? Mine and all that, theirs. So now these possessive pronouns are classified into two categories. Here I have the two categories, that is adjectival possessive pronouns and then is pronominal possessive pronouns. Here by the first category we'll start up, and let me just tell you what are these adjectival possessive pronouns. By this word adjectival, you can guess on your own that these pronouns would have some sense of adjectives, right? Because these are having the word adjectival. So now let's see what is that. These pronouns are used to tell us about the following nouns, which is the quality of an adjective. Those adjectives usually tell about the nouns. They add on something more about a noun. So that is why here we have taken it up as adjectival possessive pronouns. So now let's see the example and be more clear about it. These are my class notes. Here, what is a possessive pronoun? The possessive pronoun is my. And here, remember, these is a demonstrative pronoun. You remember? Yes. So here, my is a adjectival possessive pronoun. How come? Because this my is talking about class notes. These are my class notes, right? These are talking about class notes, and these are not telling about that how are those class notes. These are just telling that these class notes belongs to whom. So that is why these are coming in the category of possessive pronouns. And then let's see the another example. This is his shirt. Here his is a possessive pronoun, and why? Because it is talking about the shirt, right? So that is why these are possessive pronouns, as they are talking about the ownership of someone. Here I have another example also. I'm so sorry. That was, this is our house. That again is talking about the ownership of someone, right? So now let's move to the next slide and next category, that is pronominal possessive pronouns. So here, what are those pronominal possessive pronouns? These are the pronouns which are used on their own. Sometimes they don't require anyone else or any other noun or any other thing to introduce them. So let's see, and moreover those the number and gender of these kind of possessive pronouns are depending, the verb used depends on the number of that noun, used in the sentence. Let's see. Look at these pictures. Mine is the small one. For example, we are denoting about some pictures, and there is one small one there, and I am mentioning that mine is small one. Here I am not talking about that small one is my picture. Here the noun is not following that possessive pronoun. Here mine is coming on its own. The another noun is not following by this pronoun. So that is why this is pronominal possessive pronouns. But here it is again talking about the possession of something. That small one is mine, right? So let's see the next example. That is, I found my book in the garden. Here my is adjectival possessive pronouns because it is following a noun. My book in the garden, but I couldn't find yours. But I couldn't find yours. Here there is no noun. Here there is no noun. So that is why this yours is pronominal possessive pronouns. So no need to worry much. I just wanted to let you explore lot more knowledge. So be focused to that possessive pronouns only. Thank you so very much.